Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 8th of January 2014. You're watching the daily chart. As we experienced yesterday's market, this long range candlestick was trying to send a new message towards a possible downtrend and possible control from the buyer side towards lower levels in that sense. However, the situation we saw this morning seems to show us the possibilities of a new higher low in the daily chart. Look at what's happening here. Take into consideration that if this keeps going the way it's going right now, it's too soon to tell, but it seems like the currency might do this kind of pattern, which will end up creating the new higher low with entries in these areas that it might push the price once again towards maximum highs, and why not historical ones. Like I said before, the weekly chart is definitely into consideration with this particular higher low. There it is. Now this new week we might see a consolidation, or we can definitely see a new push forward towards the historical highs, but we need to keep an eye on that. What it concerns us today is the intraday analysis, and right now the daily chart is trying to push the price, obviously market makers trying to push the price towards these areas, and obviously is trying to reach the maximum highs of previous market sessions, which was yesterday, and that particular highs was in 1044 with 20. So we might see maybe a possible visit once again to that area. Otherwise, a possible consolidation in the small time frames in between 900 and 980, 990. That's something that we can take into consideration. Right now, this is the 240-minute chart. Powerful sell-off, overextended trend per candles and also per movement. Right now, the price is trying to push, and buyers is trying to push the price once back up again, and they trying to deny this particular downtrend. And if this happens, two things can happen. This can be the next move from the buyers taking full control of the situation, or the next case scenario could be this particular case. Something can basically happen at that level. Or the third and last hypothesis, it can definitely be a new lower high in the 240-minute chart, and this low higher can take the price below 800. That can be something that we need to pay attention also. Apart from that, 60-minute chart is showing us something completely different towards the downtrend. This particular situation is against the downtrend. Right now is a denial of the previous lower high. As you can see, this particular lower high was already denied by this powerful uptrend from the buyer's side. Now this powerful uptrend right now, or this powerful reaction from the buyers, is happening right now just on the limits of the SMA 200. It's using the SMA 200 as a main support. It's something that we need to pay attention to it. And if this is something that the currency is trying to do, the next move could be possibly a new higher low with entrance in these particular areas, and it might push us towards this other area in this sense, which is right now 1998. If the price managed to reach those areas, we can definitely see a potential new consolidation, and why not, that consolidation can push the daily chart for a few more sessions to create that particular higher low in the daily chart, which will end up pushing the price towards the historical highs. We'll keep an eye on it, and we pay attention to that so we can recommend you possible situations. And last but not least, this is the 3-day chart. Look at what's happening right now. Bottom tail showing us like it could be a possible consolidation coming towards this particular time frame, but we'll see what happens. Keep an eye on it. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.